We're following here at 5 o'clock the resignation of Jackson County Sheriff Mike Sharp.
His resignation coincides with some bombshell allegations we uncovered in court documents today.
The top law enforcement official in the county admitting to having a relationship with an employee, taking her on trips, and even buying a house with the woman.
41 Action News reporter Kat Reed has been digging through these documents all day, live at the sheriff's office with much more on this. Kat.
Mike ran in all of these signs that say Sheriff Mike Sharp are soon going to have to come down. He's resigning because of a pending legal matter, and that is a lawsuit filed by a former employee with who he's admitted having a relationship for 5 years. And according to these documents, during that time, she was the highest paid civilian employee in the building, and she even received perks other employees did not, like, for instance, getting to work from home. Sheriff Mike Sharp's resignation isn't effective until the end of the day tomorrow, but his absence kicked in right away. On Wednesday, Mike Sharp was nowhere to be found, from this empty parking spot at the sheriff's office to his house with a moving truck sitting in the driveway. We even tried his phone.
You reached Mike Sharp. Please leave a message at the tone. The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
But Sharp only provided this statement saying, quote, "I allowed my judgment as sheriff and my obligations to Jackson County be clouded because of my feelings for someone I cared very deeply for in the past." In that statement, Sharp is talking about his former employee, Christine Lind. She filed a suit back in 2015 alleging she experienced sexual harassment, discrimination, and retaliation while working at the sheriff's office. But it's an April 4th deposition turning heads today. In it, the sheriff admits to a 5-year sexual and romantic relationship with Lind while she was working for him. During that time, he put down $8,000 to buy this house with her. Other court documents claim Sharp took Lind on multiple trips paid for by him or with your tax dollars.
Oh yeah, everybody knew it.
Bryce Stewart ran against Sheriff Sharp in 2016. He worked in IT at the sheriff's office while Lind was there and claims the relationship was an open secret he felt powerless to stop.
You know, he's the boss. He's the highest ranking law enforcement official. You know, who are you gonna go tell?
It's easy to get bogged down in the salacious details, like a mention of a 3-way sexual encounter with Sharp, his wife, and Lind. But Stewart says it's the potential misuse of your tax dollars that concerns him the most.
Their money, they pay their salary. And if they're doing this on the taxpayer dime, it's not right.
Now, a quick note about Bryce Stewart, who you just heard from. Before running for sheriff in 2016, he did work here at the department, and when he was dismissed, he sued for retaliation. He tells us that lawsuit was later dismissed. Now, we also reached out to Lind's attorneys, but we have not yet heard back. Reporting live in Jackson County, I'm Kat Reed, 41 Action News.
Thank you, Kat. You can read more about the documents in the case as well as the statement from Sheriff Sharp right now on our website. Our investigators are digging more into the allegations. Hear what they uncovered tonight on 41 Action News at 6.